Good evening, traders. We're going to check out a few charts that I think you should watch in the coming days. We've got some key levels that I'm going to go over. First one I'm going to take a look at is KPTI. It's a biotech company, and we've got a potential trend change here, and I'm going to go over exactly why I see that potential. For one, we've got a break over this key downtrend line. If you can see here, we've got a touch here, 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 almost right there, and then we broke over it today, okay? First day over this trend line ever, all right? We've also got this uptrend line right here that's pushing us higher. Also today, we broke over this key resistance. You can see how many times just about 820 has rejected us, and we broke over that. And out of this tight range right here, we were trading sideways for quite some time with a big bullish candle right here on some big, huge volume as well, which is well above the average volume. So I do think that KPTI in the long run should see higher prices. We've got resistance here just above us at about 10.15, as you can see here from these candles, and then if you look over here, from the lows of these candles where it was support and now it is resistance. Next, let's take a look at POT. POT, big break today. We broke over this long-term downtrend line, as you can see here, and we broke out of this triangle here, the lower end of this trend line right here, made this a triangle, and we broke over that triangle with some heavy volume, more than heavy volume. This is the biggest volume day of the entire year. Actually, in the last 2 years, this is the heaviest volume day. So definitely think that POT can see higher prices. We could be seeing a major trend change here for this stock. Next, I want to take a look at PANW. In PANW, I want to point out a couple things. I know we had some earnings today, and it is currently down in the after hours. So we're down in the after hours. We are at about 130. I believe we're at 132 in the after hours, which coincidentally just happens to be right at a perfect bounce zone on the chart. So overall, look at where we bounced from, or look at the overall chart here for PANW. We have this downtrend line, touch here, 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 and here, and then we finally broke over it right here. And then another thing we have is a new shorter term uptrend line. We've got a touch there, there, and after hours we're currently sitting right here on this stock. So could be a retest of the uptrend line as well as the downtrend line that we broke over. And I believe that if we weren't going to bounce, we would have been down here. If we were down here in after hours, below 125, then I would be a little concerned. But after hours, we're still above 130. So they could have easily dropped this stock below this level, and I've seen it happen before. So I believe that if we hold that 130 level right here, that we're going to bounce, and we're going to bounce nicely, and at the very least fill this gap up here, and more than likely going to continue this upward trend.